Assalamu alaikum. Today we have Surah Al-Shams, وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا. Do you know that Surah Al-Shams contains the longest oath in the Quran? Yes, the longest one. Allah Almighty swears 11 times in a row. 11 times. وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا وَالْقَمَرِ إِذَا تَلَاهَا وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا جَلَّاهَا وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَاهَا وَالسَّمَاءِ وَمَا بَنَاهَا وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا طَحَاهَا وَنَفْسٍ وَمَا سَوَّاهَا. 11 oaths. For what? What's this very important issue that Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala swear to? It's about purification. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ زَكَّاهَا وَقَدْ خَابَ مَنْ دَسَّاهَا. The one who purify himself, he will be successful. That's what the oath about. Purification, Tazkiyah. Very important topic. And this is one of the main purpose for Ramadan. Ramadan is just an intensive course for Tazkiyah, for purification. And when you reflect upon these oaths, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala mentioned the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the day, the night. And after the oath, he mentioned that he destroyed a nation before, which is Thamud. What's the point here? The point here, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala mentioned that it's just like sun, moon, day, night, sky, earth, follow fixed law, fixed universal law. Also, Allah always destroy the nations that they go against His path. That's also historical law. And between them, Allah mentioned the law of Tazkiyah. The law of Tazkiyah also is fixed. You can't be successful without Tazkiyah. You can't be safe in the day of judgment without Tazkiyah. You can't be even successful in this dunya and do the best way without that purification. Another reflection. When Allah mentioned these oaths, He mentioned something opposite. Day and night, sun and moon, sky and earth, corruption and purification. Why these pairs of opposites? That's because it's very important thing to know about Tazkiyah. The human being, they always in their souls there is a conflict. Conflict between two things. Conflict between the revelation want to elevate your soul, to connect with your Lord, to purify yourself, and the temptation, the desires, the Satan want to pull you down, go to the earth. That's conflict always there. Just like the day and night, sky and earth, it's something always there. So we always ask Allah Tabaraka to elevate us and purify us to be successful in this conflict. Allah mentioned one nation in this surah, Thamud. When they destroyed the miracle that Allah sent to them, the camel. Camel come from stone, can you imagine? And they deny and they killed that camel. And He said, كَذَّبَ الثَّمُودُ بِطَغْوَاهَا. Transgression. But طغواها, this form of plural, never mentioned in Quran except in this surah. Usually Allah said طغيان, not طغوا. طغوا is, Arab doesn't say طغوا even. It means it's even the plural is unusual to indicate that when the human being go away from the revelation, you can't imagine what they can do. You can't imagine the level of transgression. You can't imagine the level of fujur. They will kill all the miracles Allah sent to them. They will kill a lot of people. They will corrupt this universe because there's no limits. No limits. Brothers and sisters, purification is the most important that you can learn from Ramadan. Try to learn. Try to watch a series about purification. Try to read a book about purification. May Allah purify our souls. Assalamu alaikum.